Last afternoon, I was so and some coso good me actually could food in brow, say Premtobre ago cancy, and Nadia Mediaba, main feedimo, I'm not sure about Wigino Dino, and then a Mediaba. It was special name. Yes. Yes, yeah. Kejuana Gassani Erica Sidu now, my men shall say fanfi, Harry Maguire, and some Abetomonia dia, or Nabwa Dungu, or Puka Nabwadunga, Boregatanga, East constituency, and Pino. And maybe a chum. Well, can I say more parliamentary Casafa or now His Excellency Dr. Baumia, no, they call Harry Maguire. I said Maguire, son. Now Maguire, son, one son, or Bob back passing qua. It's Ghana Vice President, and also a Bob back passing qua. Onyade, near the ade. Ama Chesane, walk, Ghana, Sana Maguire, too. Tino to say, Ujafu. Tenere asa Maguire Quake a cranty. Honorable Asan call Parliament to be or yana someone or Sunday Bidi for say maybe or cassette. Na Maguire and ye and Kui. But see the on one can and no cochia. You see the name Maguire, Kui near the idea. Ama Maguire respond you, but any can call Parliament, yen coche, the honorable can enough if we are come Maguire. So, Paddy.
You remember E-Levy? They said E-Levy was going to be the Akobank of the world. Utiya Oya Wonaya Oya Akoba. Now, where have you reached? Mr. Speaker, you remember that last year, I was very quick to compare my big brother, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, to Harry Maguire. Mr. Speaker, I now apologize to Harry Maguire. Mr. Honorable Chairman, sir, you got very angry when I used your defender as an example. Today, Maguire has turned the corner, is a transformational footballer. Yeah. Harry Maguire is now scoring goals for Manchester United. Yes. Mr. Speaker, Harry Maguire is now a key player for Manchester United. As for our Maguire, he is now roaming at the IMF. with a cup in hand. With a cup in hand. As for our...
Right. Tell Nabo, Eka, same way, Parliament, you know. And Maguire, a responsible. I'm going to come out Maguire, you know. Maguire tweeted. And after all, MP Isaac Adongo apology accepted. See you at Old Trafford soon. And what they and sa all cheer abai. And what this smile. Extra canho. You can say, I was there, can be your Omonte. Omantio, Harry Maguire now responded to Honorable General Jesse, see you at Old Trafford soon. Yes, Honorable Beko Old Trafford, and give you a question no more picture be, maybe Biania Dia. Telonis and 7 so here. Now you call me Dima Sporting Club. One more akache. Me no ka say o ma 12 your man makopie mu. En role yenko o makopie mu wo obi man so Egypt o ma lande. Mo ne lali na de kokopem so. Na de obi e ka no aya me diemafo one more efa o mo fa mo ho. And then see say Ghana team e took kwan o ma fa mo so they have taken their self. As o ma fa mo they are looking good. O mo ti see Egypt na kofo mo say Ghana team na bai to say ready yakopo. Come on to say ye chede susu o mo. And Yanko yi ama bi ha ne coat tententi bedu ne ha omo de ne ya shada miamia ho say mia ho ne down ho neat na acha say come out to say ne de mediema badge ne so abom enti obi ho a plane no afobat on phone gidi say enti ama ma fogidi omo tena plane mu neat ha nyina mu twa kire yo omo team no omo tena mu no obi ayi ne coat kama ye sha ye she enti omo nyina yi na fom kokko lande omo lande obi a she ne headset professional just omo bot Champions League tomni elali na boy watching the din live current to be bro was some perform so tika share no so sa efa me dey ma for we share well dreams for so ejire mu ye be send no so nsem e be si akọ kejuana